The battle between iPhone and Samsung has always been fierce, with each brand boasting a loyal fan base, constantly debating which device truly stands out. This year, the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S25 have raised the stakes, offering powerful features, sleek designs, and innovations that push the boundaries of smartphone technology. But which one deserves the crown? In this video, we'll see how these two flagship giants measure up. Before that, subscribe to our channel Tech Tutorium and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's begin. On first glance, both the iPhone 16 and Samsung S25 impress with their aesthetics. The iPhone 16 continues Apple's tradition of minimalistic design, refining its flat edges and elegant look. It's slightly slimmer than its predecessor, with an aluminum frame and a glass back that adds a premium feel. Samsung, on the other hand, embraces its distinctive design with the S25, featuring a flat display that's expansive without feeling bulky. The minimal bezels on both devices give a modern edge, though Samsung's punch-hole camera adds a futuristic touch. Both phones are sleek, but Samsung's larger screen is a bonus for those who enjoy consuming media on their devices. But beyond design, what's inside counts even more. The iPhone 16 is powered by Apple's latest A18 Bionic chip, a processor that pushes the boundaries of speed and efficiency. Apps open in the blink of an eye. Gaming feels buttery smooth, and even with multiple apps running in the background, the phone hardly breaks a sweat. On Samsung's side, the S25 introduces the octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which is equally impressive, especially when it comes to multitasking and heavy-duty applications. The RAM is same for both beasts, which is 8 GB, and ROM has different options. When it comes to displays, Samsung once again flexes its muscle. The S25 features a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through social media to playing graphically intense games feel incredibly smooth. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the brightness can practically blind you when maxed out. iPhone 16's display isn't far behind with its 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR screen, which offers incredible color accuracy and a 60Hz refresh rate. While it may not match Samsung in terms of refresh rate, the iPhone's display excels in its attention to detail, offering true-to-life colors and crisp visuals, making it perfect for photo and video enthusiasts. Camera performance is always a hot topic when comparing these two brands. The iPhone 16 features a dual-lens setup consisting of a 12-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, each further refined to take stunning photos in any lighting condition. Apple's computational photography has also improved, ensuring that even night shots retain clarity and detail. Samsung, never one to be outdone, equips the S25 with a triple camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Samsung's cameras offer great flexibility, from ultra-wide landscapes to detailed zoom shots. Its main sensor captures sharp, detailed images, and the added telephoto lens gives users more range in their photography. While Samsung's colors tend to be a bit more saturated, the overall image quality is excellent, making the S25 a great device for photography enthusiasts. Battery life is another critical factor in choosing a smartphone. The iPhone 16 has a 3,200 mAh battery, which, combined with the power efficiency of the A17 chip, easily lasts through a day of moderate use. Fast charging is available, though it caps out at 20 watts, which is slower than some competitors. Samsung's S25, with its 4,500 mAh battery, offers slightly more endurance, particularly for users who spend a lot of time gaming or streaming content. It supports 45-watt fast charging, which means getting back to full battery takes less time than on the iPhone. Both phones support wireless charging, though the Samsung model offers reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other devices using your phone. Software, of course, is where personal preference really comes into play. The iPhone 16 runs on iOS 17, which is known for its clean, streamlined interface. The latest version of iOS brings refinements to existing features, along with enhanced privacy settings and improvements to continuity across Apple devices. For users already embedded in the Apple ecosystem, this makes the iPhone an attractive choice. Samsung's Galaxy S25, running Android 14 with One UI 6, is perfect for users who want more control over the look and feel of their device. Both operating systems are smooth and efficient, but the iPhone leans toward simplicity, while the Galaxy S25 offers more versatility. The final decision often comes down to personal taste. If you're someone who values cutting-edge displays, jaw-dropping cameras, and customization, the Samsung S25 may be the device for you. On the other hand, if you prioritize a refined user experience, exceptional performance, and seamless integration across your devices, the iPhone 16 stands out. The question isn't which phone is better, but which one suits you better. That's all for our today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more such videos.